Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Queendom. Lalelani guys, imagine this week, we're not even at the end of the week, but listen, the way Queendom has been giving, it's been yours after yours guys. So this episode starts off with the council meeting guys, kutensi. Umcebo's gods are still there. At this point, ngiyasaba to even say anything wrong or even post my commentary about Umcebo. Next thing, onogada bakhe are going to be here with guns in my face, because clearly that's what's going on. The moment any council member disagrees with him, guys, isibhame entloko. Aibo. So anyway, remember Unumano in the last episode, he was the one where the gods bebem spam guys. And yeah, he got scared. I guess he wanted to say which we have a right to what. He got scared. They were phansi. So Unumano was like, mina angeke ngikwazi ukuqhubeka. As he's speaking, guys, we see the gods Gamcebo, they are pointing guns at him again. Manhov is like, hi, Imani. I'm just like, so everyone at this point must agree with everything. The moment umuntu khulumindati uzokhuluminde ASID, the gods are there with their guns, guys. Unxumano then goes on to say ukuthi ngiyaxolisa Ndlovukazi kodwa ngeke ngisakwazi ukusebenza ngaphansi kwalesi simo lesi. Lesi simo esinokudelela nje. He says ukuthi I'm resigning with immediate effect. My decision is final. Mandlovu was like, ngiyacela wehlisa umoya Nxumalo. Sibonisane ngalento ngiyacela. Unxumalo was like, cha angeke ngikwazi. Mandlovu was like, lento ifuna nje ukuthi sibumbane, sibonisane and have a solution for all of this. Ngiyanicela nina bamanzi, yehlisani nje imimoya sibambisane. Unxumalo was like, ubiza lokhu ukukhonjwa ngeyibhami yilezi zinja zikamntanakho ukubumbana. Do you call this unity? Usanus is like, we should all file charges against Uamanzi for what he's doing. This shouldn't be happening, Klobonje. That time Usanus is brave. Imagine Unumalo is being pointed at guns, and he's still talking about they must go and file charges for Umcebo. Umcebo sitting there, guys, he's not even bothered. Yes, he's not bothered, Umcebo. Anyway, Ungozi, she laughs. Yeah, she laughs. Ungozi is the only one that's not sitting down. She's walking around. Then ahleke Ungozi. And she's like, Ukingba, uamanzi. Uyayikhathalela lento ba wena ufuna ukuresign. Angafuna nabani na wesisikhundla sakho. Abeke nabani na wesisikhundla sakho. Mandlovu looks at Ungozi, she's like, yini leyo ikhulumayo manje? Angafaka noba ubani, uchaza ukuthini? Ungozi goes on to say, nabani na? Nguye kumkani kaloku. And then unokhuzana uMandlovu says, okokuqala wena odukisa amanzi, wena umthakathi lana odukisa amanzi. Umcebo zathi Ndlovukazi, silence please. He goes on to say ukuthi ngiyawusakaza lo mkhandlu. uMandlovu looks at him, she's like, kwamanzi? Like what? Umcebo's like, niqoshiwe nonke lana. He looks at Mandlovu, he's like, cha hayi wena Ndlovukazi, sizokhuluma thina sobabili. Nina abanye phumani niphele lana. Oh guys, abanye they get up, they just leave like that. Udalukolo's just sitting there. Udalukolo's never fazed by anything. I'm just like, guys, everyone ukoshiwe, the whole council member ukoshiwe, guys. And I'm just thinking, hayibo, uBanzi himself, guys, azangadabwe umbuso njengomcebo. Yo guys, ubad utense. Ayi guys, next scene. Hayibo, abantu abasebenza le esigodlweni, they are coming into the palace, except they are in a line, guys. Umcebo's guards, Umcebo's soldiers, they are searching every one of them before bangene esigodlweni. Searching them, doing body search and searching their pets. Guys, good tense in the council meeting. Imagine when as a member, you are standing for your community. If kusaba wena, what about abantu? That time outside of the palace, everyone's being searched. Yo, guys, Unyambo says like, hey, bo. uBhotwe like kwenzakalani lana. Then uNyambo says like, hi, ikhona into enje kodwa, like yini yona le? UThinti was like, ayi ngeke, sizophathiswa engathi siyigebengu la emsebenzini. Kodwa, hayibo, what's going on? uBhotwe was like, yazi into nami engiyishoyo ukuthi like we are now being treated as if we are paras coming to work. uNyambo says like, hi, ayikho lento. Yazi ngiyanizwa ukuthi nithini kodwa-ke like akuyona indlela yokuphila le. Labantu nje bacabanga ukuthi sizothini lana, sizosebenza thina lana. We're not here for ukutshontsha or we're not here to kill anybody. uBhotwe says yena owamanzi wenzani uthini, and then uNokhuzana uNyambo says like, shh, hayi Bhotwe man Bhotwe, yehlisa izwi lakho. Then now it's Bhotwe's turn to be searched. So uBhotwe hands over his bag to the guard. The guard opens the bag. So uBhotwe's like, sikhona madoda isidingo salokhu enikwenzayo. Then the guard says, yey, thula wena. Ukhuluma kakhulu wena. Ngakutshela ukuthi ngizokubamba wena. Ngasho ukuthi ngizokuthola. And then uNogada-ke, he finds something like a packet, guys. Enento ngaphakathi. He waves it in front of uBhotwe's face and he's like, kubizwa ngani lokhu? uBhotwe keeps quiet. He's like, ngiyakhuluma yini lokhu? uBhotwe's like, ispice ndoda. Ispice yinto engisebenzisayo mihla namalanga ekitchen. The soldier's like, oh, ispice. Ngikwazi ngani mina ukuthi like this is not ushevu, this is not poison. uBhotwe's like, kahle bo, uyadlala ndoda, uyadlala yini bafo? Like to say like that's ridiculous. Why would I carry ushevu? And yeah. And then uNokhuzana, the soldier's like, uyahleka. Let me make this easy for you, guys. He opens the packet, guys, and he starts spilling uBhotwe's spice on the floor. uBhotwe's like, hi, bo, kahle bo, like, wenzani. As he's spilling the spice, uBhotwe's fighting for his spicy. Yo, guys, uBhotwe. And then as he's fighting for his spice, the other soldiers come and hold uBhotwe. uBhotwe's like, ningazongibamba kanje. Next thing, guys, one of the other guards, they were punching uBhotwe. Umathinti ngalana. She's like, Bhotwe. uNyambo ngalana. He's like, why nimshaya? Guys, yo. They're holding uBhotwe. So this soldier that said ukuthi ngizokubonisa, he's busy punching uBhotwe on his head, on his eye, in his stomach, guys. He's like, udelela kabi wena. uBhotwe ngalapha, guys, he's still having it cheeky. He's still having attitude. He's like, yini ngenzeni? Yini wena yini? Oh, guys, that time uBhotwe was bleeding. I'm like, hayi bo. Abantu basesigodlweni, guys, abantu basekhahlamba at this point baphila is horror movie because what is happening? uCaptain KRS, he has access to the footage of the cameras, looking through that footage of them robbing. Oh, guys, so he's looking through that footage. Remember when I explained ukuthi Thabang nomnganakhe mebengena, you couldn't see Thabang's face, but the moment he turned, coming back to the door, his face showed, and then uCaptain pauses it right there. While he pauses it right there, Thabang's face is showing, and he's like, Shama Zamba, ne? And then he laughs, guys. Menacheda, Peggy pauses. So uCaptain is sitting in like one of those small boardrooms, and then Peggy, she pauses the door. So as she's passing, uCaptain's like, Peggy, please approach, please. Then Peggy's like, yes. And then uCaptain says, approach, please. And then she's like, sure, Angen. And she's like, what's up? uCaptain's like, tell me, do you know this guy? Achigisi laptop, and he shows it to Peggy. uPeggy looks, and you can see the facial expression with uPeggy, uyamazi lo muntu. And then uCaptain's like, do you know him? Peggy, do you know him? uPeggy athuleke, but you can see her eyes all widening up. And I'm just like, probably she knows uThabang as either uNtando friend or boyfriend. And then uCaptain says, you know him. Okay, you know him. And then that scene ends. Guys, uThabang nomnganakhe, they were there. They are busy looking through the money, guys. They are excited about the money. So the guy that he robbed KRS with, igama lakhe is Uziro Mahiro. So Uziro Mahiro, guys, is touching, holding the money. He's like, vele vele jo, sihlabile wempela lento. Utabang, it looks like he's daydreaming. And then Uziro Mahiro says, "Hi, man, hey, papa, man, daughter, papa, man." Then uThabang's like, angiyabuza mfethu. Maybe uThabang uhiwa unembeza because his girlfriend is stressing. This thing that he did has brought stress to his girlfriend. I go, my heroes, guess says, we can't just sit like this, siphethe imali engaka jo. Like ngabe siyagijima, there goes Santini, like having fun. uThabang says ukuthi ungakhohlwa mina nawe sineplani njayami. Like uzosijumpisela when you're starting to think like this, cause ngempela guys, when you got money like that, you can't just be spending money like that. You must lay low. So Thabang says, bopha iphondo ushayele phansi indoda. My hero's like, hayi bengisho nje, like angeke sithi siphethe imali and scratch our heads at the same time. Thabang's like, fede like ungakhohlwa njayami. Then uMahiro says ukuthi manje nomjita wakho uzokhona ukuthi asiwashele le mali. And then uThabang says ukuthi le awuthi ngiringile nayo. He told me that we should give the money to him bit by bit so that naye he doesn't get caught. Thabang goes on to say ukuthi uzosikinela yona le mali then sibe mnandi mara kancane he can't clean the money like all at once. Then uMahiro says it's okay, kuyazwakala mfowethu. Yabona, when this money comes through, we will make it rain. We should be in Sandton. When this money comes through, we must be in Sandton eating chicken a la king in uThabang's guy. When you don't dream big, you don't dream big enough, eh? Mina awuthiyama ngikutshele, I want to get married. I want to buy my woman a huge diamond ring. Ngifuna ukuthi mekavela nje, like the way that ring must shine, like when she walks around. Njayami. So they busy hyping one another ukuthi bazoyenzani le mali. I'm just like, hey, these ones abanga ukuthi bazoyithinta le mali. Anyway, we see Umcebo, he's sitting on his couch and one leg is on the couch and he's smoking that pipe. You know that pipe Zakdala? Yeah, smoking that one. He's on a call with Umlapo. So Umcebo's like, please, bruh, please, ngiyacela mpintshi yami, ngiyacela ukuthi like ungizwe, ngiyacela. Umlapo's like, it's clear that you've been avoiding me. Why weren't you answering my calls? Why don't you ghost that? Like, why are you ghosting me, man? Umcebo's like, how, dude? I'm not avoiding Umfethu. The way Umcebo is so, guys, I got stress. These days, Umcebo, he takes things so chill. Umlapo's like, oh, then why haven't you returned my calls then? Then Umcebo says, Sibali, uyazi ukuthi manje ngiwe nje yilesi siphithiphithi engibhekene naso lana. Uyakwazi lokho. Umlapo says, it's chaos. Chaos of your own making. Umcebo's like, what? Really? Is this you, bruh? Is this you, bruh? Wena ukhuluma nami kanje. Umlapo's like, don't you dare play victim here. You lied about the entire environmental report repeatedly, especially page 23. That talks about the dangers of this project. You hid it, damn it. I was like, I didn't hide no damn page 23, man. How many times must I tell you? I get that time as I was speaking, guys. Uthintiwe uzifihlele emnyango. She's eavesdropping on the conversation. Then Uthintiwe, she recalls a time, guys, when Ngempela, she did come across this page 23. So I think it was on the first or second episode of BET. When it came back the second time, we saw Thinti, she was cleaning Umcebo's room. She came across papers, white bag, and then she just like never minded it because obviously she doesn't understand those things. But she remembers now Lily Pepper that they're talking about. She saw like that page 23. Umcebo's like, Mulapo, please, bro, like trust me. Mulapo, Mulapo, like us, like calling Mulapo's name, kusho ukuthi Mulapo maybe hang up the phone. Aye, next thing we see uNtando ke, she is sitting le etakanem in the house, no Pravi, she's on her phone. UPravi is like, "Yok ayisengikhathele." Ayazi laba bantu from the meeting, like they talk too much. Balobo bekhuluma into engapheli nje. Untando's like, "Ay namhlanje nje, I saw why the youth doesn't care about all those things. Kunini sihlangana sikhulume ngento eyi-one, but nothing ever changes, nothing at all." UPravi is like, "Yeah, kodwa akhona amanzi la eTsakane." Then Untando's like, "Even if there's water, there's no service delivery whatsoever." UPravi's like, "Yeah, kodwa khona wona amanzi eTsakane." Then Untando's like, "Apha amanzi eTsakane." UPravi's like, "Hayi bo, la manzi aphuma kuleli bonda, uthi aphumaphi?" I'm like, "Pravi, you still have no quote on ukuthi the only reason the water is coming out in le is because maybe Untando, she sleeps in that room, but it has to do with Untando." Anyway, ulokhuzana-ke, Untando's like, "Hayi bo, old age is making you delusional because do you call that amanzi? Do you call that water? Or what is it? Like what, lemons to lemonade?" Upravi's like, "Yes, it is lemon to lemonade." So while they're speaking like that, then there's a knock on the door. Uthabange angeneke, ungena no Zero Mahiro, ungena no Maswitu, aka Eric, Eric Lapayana, ugqoka amashade wakhe. Hey guys, they ngena ngathi iskim nje. UPravi's like, "Hey Nina, like take off those hats in the house." And then but sorry, fraud money. They take off the hats. Then Maswit is like, Uthabang une surprise. As he's saying that Uziro my hero's like, "Aye, whoa, Uthabang uthe uzoziringela. Yekela ukuspeeda man." Then Utabang's like, Mrs. Kashamba, as she's about to say that, as he's about to say that, he says, "Ish, sorry, Pravi. I meant, Mantombeni." And Untando's just smiling there, wondering what's going on. Then he's like, "Love of my life, my beautiful girl." And then we see that in that scene just ending. Next thing we see Captain again, like he's in but there's two guys about Rogi uniform, leg up Captain. Yeah, they are standing near Imoto already Venia Mapoisa, they busy eating kotas. And then Captain Akamu get through some passage and he's carrying like two grocery bags. So when he approaches these other two police officers is like, "My daughter." Then he gives them these bags. These bags, guys, they have baked beans, sunlight, juice, angazi ukuthi what is it for? But he says, "Lalelani ke madoda. I don't want any mistakes." And then the one officer says, you will find him eating porridge at jail, meaning that whoever they're waiting for or whoever they're looking for, uCaptain uzomthola at jail. And then uCaptain's like, hi. Like, leave indaba eyamaseli namajele. Lo muntu, I want to interrogate him myself. Lalelani madoda, lo muntu has something valuable. He has something valuable, so I don't want him talking to any officials at all. And angifuni ukuthi akhulume nabantu of the community before he speaks to me. And then the one officer says, "Okay, copy that." And then the captain says, "Tatani ke madoda." Just to show ukuthi le mali, guys, is illegal or it's not declared. Why wouldn't they want officers bomthetho to find out about this money? Usho ukuthi maybe if the officers find out about it, bomthetho, the ones that do things will lie, probably will not get back that money. Then back at Tsakane we see Isinga Tabangi Nondando continuing there. Utabangi goes down on both knees, guys. He's like, "Esh, baby, kudala ngiphayiziseka nginga afford i-ring egrand." He opens this box, guys, the ring box, and it's red in color. He opens it and the ring is stunning, guys. Untando is so stunned and so charmed megabona leya ring. Utabang goes on to say, "Pravi, thank you for raising my girlfriend so well." fede siyazi ukuthi lesikhulumile ukuthi old lady alikabuyi yabo, so we promised ukuthi no ceremonies. So he's saying ukuthi I know I'm giving uNtando a ring, but I know ukuthi we're not going to have a ceremony. I am just giving her this ring. Thabang then looks at uNtando. He's like, baby, unga isandla sakho dar. uNtando gives him her hand, and then uThabang puts the ring on her finger. Oh, bravi, guys, he's looking so confused. He's looking so confused and annoyed. Ukuthi kwenzakalani lana? Ngalana uMaswiti uthatha amavideo, guys. uBravi is just like a bystander. He's looking as if he wants to say ukuthi like umsangano wani that's going on here. What does Zulele? So Maswiti is busy recording a video laphayana, taking pictures. Untando's like, this is beautiful. And then Thabang's like, just like you. Yo guys, Thabang outdid himself with that ring choice. But Thabang's like, he gets up from the ground, he sits next to Untando on the couch. He's like, manje baby, uthini, eh? And then Ulokuzana, uNtando just smiles. So uMaswiti is still taking pictures there. She's like, okay, ithombe ezingaka, guys, like, so wanele manje. uMaswiti goes on to say, now Epena, pretend as if you like all this. And then uNtando, she poses with her hand like to show the ring. And then uThabang is smiling there. They're taking pictures. As they're taking pictures, they're taking pictures. And then uThabang kisses her on her cheek so uMaswiti can take that picture. uBravi's like, hey, Thabang. As uBravi saying, hey, Thabang. Guys, there's a knock on the door. As there's a knock on the door, when they look towards the door, amaphoyisa, guys, the officer says, ukuthi amaphoyisa, ingabe uThabang Mushiti ukhona lana. Before they can even like, hey guys, it happened so quick, the police were already in the house. uNtando's like, singakusiza ngani? The police officer says, ngabe ukhona uThabang Mushiti. Thabang's like, uNtando says, singakusiza ngani? Singanisiza ngani maphoyisa. uThabang gets up from the couch and is like, sure, awutiyani. And then the officer says, oh, uwe uThabang Mushiti. And then uThabang's like, sure. The guy says, Aike usubushiwe, you are under arrest for breaking and entering at KRS. Weba nemali. Thabang's like, ay. uNtando's like, KRS. As she's saying that, guys, the one officer's ordering the other officer to put handcuffs on uThabang. uNtando's like, Imani, whoa. Let me just ask him first. Thabang. While she's busy saying that, they were handcuffing uThabang. uNtando's like, Thabang, Imani, like, I just want to know what happened, Thabang. Like, kwenzekalani lana? The officer's like, phuma naye. uNtando's like, Baba, Thabang. uBravi, guys, he's just sitting there like ubukeli movie. Like, he didn't even move. He didn't even get up. I guess that's why uNtando's like, Baba, like, do something. And then Eric, uMaswiti is like, how? But police are like, I think nige like a drinking yana, like wanting to bribe the police. The police just ignore him. Then they take him out. uBravi's left there. No, what's this guy's name? Ulokuzana, the one that robbed KRS, no Thabang, uma hero, uzero ma hero. Then uBravi's like, and no, guys, ever since uTholakele has just been gone, hayibo, engathi indlu yamaphara lena, every week kungena amaphoyisa. If it's not uBravi, it is uLokuzana, it is uThabang. If it is not uThabang, hayibo, the drama in this house. But anyway, they go out, no Thabang. Next scene, we see uNtando. She's lying on her man's bed, you guys, sleeping, lying on her man's bed, and she is crying there, guys. That time, the camera shows us her ring, guys. The ring ngempela. You know when Thabang says ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi mekavela nje, that ring must shine. Guys, that ring was shining so beautiful, sparkling then. Then we see uMathintile eKhahlamba. She is checking the coast. She's trying to phone uLokuzana uNtando. So uNtando answers the phone. She's like, hello? Like, you can hear her voice is shaky. You can hear ukuthi she's been crying. uMathinti zakho nkosazana yimina uthintiwe. UNtando's like, Thintiwe, yes sisi. Then uThintiwe's like, nkosazana, I heard about what happened, idrama nje that has been happening at Akan, ngiyaxolisa. UNtando's like, ngiyabonga sisi, but this is not a good time, like I really can't speak right now. UThintiwe's like, nkosazana ima, uningi nje that's happening sisi. Lento yamanzi lena, ngizwe umulapo nomcebo bexabana bekhuluma ngendaba yokuthi we-reporter ngazi kulahleke upage number 23 izinto ezinjalo nje. Then uNtando's like, i-report Thintiwe says yebo. Umcebo-ke he claims ukuthi ayazi yonke leyo nto. And then she's like, kodwa sisi. Then uNtando's like, kodwa ini? uMathinti says ukuthi angazi nami, I'm not so sure, but when I was cleaning his room ngahlangana nalo mina leli page, kodwa he quickly grabbed it from my hands before I could see what was on it. I'm just like, Aibo guys, now I remember that scene very well. Umcebo did not even come in. Umcebo, oh he did actually guys, no he did, but she had put that paper down already. Then Umcebo came in and noticed she was cleaning around that area. And then uNtando's like, awubonanga lutho nje nhlobo. Then uThinti was like, hey angazi sisi, like angazi kodwa, like it did seem important, like the way he was angry about me being there, it did seem like it was an important paper. uNtando is like, Thintiwe, ngiyacela bandle, alungisize sisi, cela utholele lo page lelo and find out ukuthi kunani kubhalweni lapho. It's very important sisi, ngiyacela. Then uMathinti says ukuthi, hey sisi ngizozama ngizobona ukuthi ngenze njani. uNtando zathi, Thintiwe, uqaphele sisi, into that I've learned about umcebo, hey sisi uqaphele nje. And then uThintiwe says, okay. Thabang guys, always see ukuthi Thabang is being pushed around. KRS is being pushed around into this room. Those guards that are pushing him around are like, go that way, like Azia, pushing him. Thabang's like, yo, like sure bafethu, like uhambani, like ngenzeni, like why you guys pushing me around? As he's busy talking like that, uCaptain angena ngomnyango, uCaptain is whistling. He's whistling, he looks at Thabang, he laughs, and then he pours himself coffee. Then he's like, Thabang, welcome. Kade sikulindile. uThabang's like, ufunani kimi? Thabang's like, oh, uCaptain says ukuthi uyazi ukuthi sifunani. Thabang says ukuthi angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. uCaptain's like, uyifihlephi? As uThabang is saying ukuthi angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani, uCaptain just says, Thabang, iphi imali? Thabang's like, angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Then uCaptain says, gents. As he said gents, the gents guys, they're punching him, they're hitting him. I guess this is a tactic to get uLokuzana uThabang to talk. Guys, next thing uThintiwe, she is checking the coast, guys. Angene ekamereni likaMcebo. She gets ekamereni likaMcebo. As she's getting there, she's calling uNtando at the same time. So uThintiwe was like, hello, uNtando athi uyitholile. uThintiwe was like, no, angikayitholi kodwa ngisayibheka manje. Then uLokuzana-ke, uNtando's like, uqaphele and be thorough. Be very careful, Thintiwe. Remember to put things back as they were. uThintiwe was like, okay, all right, guys. She's searching there. Search amaphepha kaMcebo. She's opening drawers, checking the whole desk, up until she finds this page 23 in an envelope. She takes it out, she takes a few pictures, and she puts it back. As she's about get to make sure everything's in place. As she's heading for the door, she hears Umcebo's voice coming towards the room, guys. Abaleke, she goes and hide herself in the bathroom. Umcebo comes, Umcebo's on a phone call, and he's like, he's saying to the person, whoever he's on a phone call to, you know what to do. Angeneke Umcebo ekamereni lakhe. He goes on to say, umfonele emva komhlangano. uMathinti is hiding there. Then uMathinti makes a movement in the bathroom, guys. Umcebo hears it. Umcebo moves and goes towards the bathroom. As he goes towards the bathroom, uThintiwe shifts a position and tries to hide. Umcebo's looking around. As he's looking around, guys, Umcebo's phone rings and he left it there in the bedroom. He goes back, and then as he answers the phone, he's like, and sends Lane, and then he goes out. Guys, then give me, I was just like, Thintiwe, yo, she was this close to being caught, you guys. If it was not for that phone call. Hi guys, so next thing we see Umcebo, he's in his office and he's on a video call no Captain. Captain's like, wena wamanzi, we've caught the thieves who disrupted your operations. Simtholile. As sikhuluma manje, siphambi kwakhe. Umcebo like, awumveze lapha, ake simbone. Captain turns the camera and then Umcebo sees ukuthi it's Thabang. Umcebo, guys, ahleke nje. He's like, uwe kanti angikhona ukuthi she put you in all of this. Thabang's like, I am mfethu. Untando Ayise had nothing to do this. It was all me. I wanted to prove a point and buy her a ring. Umcebo's like, ngama diamond ami. And then Thabang says, hayi bo, beyangekho ama-diamond laphayana. Umcebo's like, manje, ntshontshela imali so that you can buy her a ring. Ahleka Umcebo. He's like, oh, that's cute. Then he says, hayi-ke Captain, uyazi ukuthi uzowenzani-ke. You know what you must do next. Umcebo so unbothered, you guys. Captain then, he says, madoda, hamba he says, madoda, thathan lo mgulukudu, and he needs to take you straight la afike khona le mali. Ngifuna yonke leyo mali, siyezwana. Then they carry him out, you guys. If I was uThabang, guys, I feel like if you're going to make a move like that, make sure ukuthi uyayifihla leyo mali, so that even if, guys, uyobhadlela ejele, one day when you come out, uzoba mnandi. Something like that. So I really hope he doesn't show them that money, but at the same time, Umcebo, he might kill Thabang. Okay, guys. Next thing, where she's checking the coast again, guys. She's making a phone call to Ntando. I'm just like, yo, Thintiwe, guys. And that time, guys, remember she saw that paper in Umcebo's room. We must not forget what Umcebo has installed. There's cameras there that Umcebo has access to. Manje sengiyamsabela ukuthi Umcebo, if he looks at those cameras, guys, uThintiwe is gone. So uThintiwe, she gets into this room, she angene ekoneni, she checks the coast, she calls Untando. Untando's like, Thintiwe, uyitholile. And then uThintiwe was like, yebo ngiyitholile kodwa nje ngishe ngabanjwa. Like ngishe ngabanjwa, I think extendele yona khona manje. She sends it to Untando. Untando's like, 1 second, like I'm putting you on speaker. And then she looks at the page. Untando receives it. She looks at it. She's zooming in. She's like, hi. Ngiyabonga sisi, yona impela, like it's connected to what's happening to the water. Thintiwe says, ngiyajabula ukuthi ngikwazile ukusiza nkosazana kodwa I will never do this again. Untando zakhe ngibongile Thintiwe, I know how dangerous this was kodwa like usize abantu abaningi. Thintiwe zakhe ngempela. Untando zakhe, but I need to show this to someone who can understand this. Thintiwe was like, kodwa ukhona mhlawumbe umuntu omaziyo ulokhuzana-ke. Untando says, yebo, there's someone I know. I'm sending it to him right now. Thintiwe was like, okay, bengicela kodwa sisi ukuthi uqaphele. Then they say they are good guys. Guys, last scene, we see uMulapo. He's in his office working and he gets a text on his phone. Tell me why when he opens that text, it's it's a text from Untando. Untando sent that picture to uMulapo. uMulapo's like, what the hell? And then he just sighs, guys. And then the episode ends like that. Guys, I don't know whether I should be disappointed in... Hi, guys, I did not expect Untando to send that to uMulapo. Maybe she trusts him like that, and yes, he's going to understand, but I don't trust ukuthi uMulapo is going to keep this a secret. I feel like uMulapo is going to confront Umcebo. What if Umcebo's like, this document has been hidden? There only could be someone who's within Esigodlweni who had access to it, checks the camera footage, then next thing Thintiwe is gone. Guys, I felt like that was careless of Untando. But anyway, let's park it there. We shall see you guys. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.